Hello everyone and welcome back again with a brand new Webflow video. In today's tutorial guys, I'm going to show you how to fix the designer mode not loading in Webflow. Now what is designer mode? So designer mode is once you go to your dashboard and you click on a website, this is the designer mode. It is basically a page or a place where you can control your site in terms of design. So you can add elements, add sections, add page sections, pages even, add components, variables, interaction, images, etc. So if you don't have the access to this, it is a pretty huge problem. You cannot edit your site, you cannot edit the contents, you cannot edit literally anything if you don't have the access to the designer mode. So how can we fix that? First of all, start by clearing your browser cache using either, for example, this method, which is clicking in here and then go into cookies and site data and then delete them from here, or simply go into history and go to delete browsing data from here. This should also fix the issue for you guys. Now, once you did that, you'll have to reconnect again and the designer mode should open. If the problem still appears, then try using incognito/private mode simply by going here. Try to connect to the actual Webflow account that you have again from incognito and check if it's a problem from the browser or simply from the actual window that you had here. So if the problem still persists, try to ensure your browser is updated to the latest version, try changing the browser, or simply try to open it from another device. This also can solve up the problem. If the problem still persists, then the final solution for you guys is to contact the support team. This is the last thing that you should do. Of course, you will need to wait for them to respond to you, but yeah, this is the only solution that is left. And that was it. See you guys in the upcoming video.